What's going on, everyone? My name is Vinay and welcome back to the channel. Today I have a new package from Auxbeam. This is their new LED headlights. This is the model number GT-9006. Here's the box. If you open the box, we get greeted with two stickers. Herein lies the product manual and warranty card. These are the bulbs themselves. As you can see, they are very big, and this has a big fan. Inside this package, we have the support card, there is also a product manual with installation guides and warranty card. Here are the specifications. The power usage is 45 watt for one bulb. Operating voltage is 9 to 32 volts. The total brightness of the pair is now 9000 lumens. It's IP65 water resistant. It uses the XHP70 chip, and the color temperature is 6500 K. Here's one of the bulb. This also comes with a voltage regulator, which is located here. You can see the LED chip here. Here we have the LED chip. This is the CREE XHP70 chip. It's dual-sided. This is made out of aluminum. You can use the Allen wrench provided in this to adjust the bulb. Here's a fan. This fan will get loud eventually. Here is the voltage regulator. You just plug it in the bulb. Like that, and the clip here, and it clips here. We are now going to install the bulb. The installation for 9006 is pretty easy. There is the old bulb. You just twist and remove this. Here is the old bulb. Now take your new bulb and install it in. It might be better if you install it without the ballast first. That way it can be easier to install. So take the new bulb, insert, then rotate to lock it in. Then if you have installed it, the LEDs should be facing horizontally like that. After that, take the voltage controller and connect it to the harness. So this is how it looks like when it's on. You can see it's just a bright white light. But compared to the other LED, it's much brighter. I'll replace the other side and we'll see how it looks like when it's at night. And that was the review of the Auxbeam GT 9006 LED. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.